Hi, I'm Edie, and today we need to learn and read a short and a long A sound. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start with a long A sound. Let's try let's try these words with a long E sound. Cake, cake, train, train, mail, mail, game, game, snail, and rain, rain. That's a long E sound. How about a short E sound? By the way, the long E sound is A, and the short A sound is ah, ah, ah. Let's try a short A sound. Apple, apple, actor, astronaut, map, sad. Let's try another is bat, snack, fast, and lab. That a short A sound. Okay, so now let's practice making a long A and a short A sound. Let's start with a long A sound. First, I read it 3 times. A, A, A. Please repeat after me. A, A. Yay, nice job! How about a short A sound? Repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. Keep repeating after me. Ah, ah. That's a short A sound. Okay? So, I'll show you a pictures and then you can say the words. Alright? What is this? Apple. Apple. What sound do you hear? Do you hear long A or a short A sound? Apple. Apple. That a short A sound. How about this one? Grapes. Grape. Do you hear a long A or a short A sound? Grape. Grape. That's a long A sound. That's it. Bye.